Play in tune, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, play in tune. This phrase is used in both literal and figurative contexts, and understanding it can add a lot of color to your English conversations. Let's dive in and explore what it means to play in tune. Play in tune initially comes from the world of music. It means to play a musical instrument in the correct pitch, matching the standard or given frequency. When musicians play in tune, their instruments produce harmonious and pleasant sounds. This is essential in orchestras and bands to ensure a beautiful, cohesive performance. In everyday language, play in tune is often used metaphorically. It means to be in agreement or harmony with someone or something. For example, if you and a friend are playing in tune, you are on the same wavelength, sharing similar thoughts, feelings, or plans. It's about synchronizing your actions or beliefs with others to achieve a common goal or maintain a peaceful relationship. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a team, our team plays in tune when it comes to decision-making, which makes our meetings very productive. 2. In a relationship, my partner and I play in tune on most issues, which makes our relationship very smooth. 3. In personal goals, to achieve your objectives, it's important that your actions play in tune with your values. These examples show how versatile and useful this phrase can be in everyday English. Play in tune is a phrase that's music to the ears, both literally and figuratively. Whether you're talking about instruments or interpersonal relationships, playing in tune is all about harmony and agreement. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this beautiful phrase. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it naturally in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to play in tune with the English language.